Today, I will introduce this S55 weighing loader to you. Overall car height is 2,095 millimeters, and the width is 1,640 millimeters. The weight of the vehicle is 2,880 kilograms. Bucket width 1,800 millimeters. Bucket volume 0.4 cubic meters. Rated load 890 kilograms. Overturning load 1,780 kilograms. Maximum unloading height 2,384 millimeters. Unloading distance 520 millimeters. Maximum operating height 3,790 millimeters. To bucket pin height 3,020 millimeters. Maximum rise power 25 kilonewtons. Maximum travel speed 12 kilometers per hour. Bucket flat on the ground. Vehicle length 3,450 millimeters. Highlights: recommended arm lift safety lock. Deluxe operating cab. Equipped with a pilot lever. Heating and cooling air conditioner. Equipped with 10 bars. 10.5 engineering tires. Ground clearance 185 millimeters. Wheel track 1,370 millimeters. Equipped with a Cummins engine. Naturally aspirated. National 3 emission standard. 4-cylinder fuel tank capacity 80 liters. Hydraulic flow rate 55 liters per minute. Hydraulic pressure 21 megapascals.